I apologize if I sound weird and quiet in this video because my left ear is completely clogged and I can only hear out of this ear, so I can't tell if I'm being loud or not. So just wanted to preface that. So this video is something I've never done before. This is kind of product I don't think I've ever really tried before. This is a video about under eye patches, like those masks that you put underneath your eyes. I have tried one I got like as a free sample. Didn't like it. I think I mentioned it in my last empties video. But this box is a little destroyed. I think that was the mailman. This is the brand GÖTZ Bad ISCHL. Totally butchering that, but it's the same brand I recently talked about in my lash growth serum video, so I will link that below. And this was sent to me for free by the brand to test out. It's not sponsored. I wasn't forced to give a good review, nothing like that. I just wanted to talk about it because they sent it to me, and why not? So this is a 24 karat gold energizing eye recovery mask. It's supposed to be anti-aging and firming. It's sold on Amazon, and if you look at like the information about it, it has like all these benefits. I'm not going to get into that too much because it's like a lot of claims. So it's like depuffing, it helps with dark circles and all that stuff. So this box, although mine's a little bandana shape, comes with 10 packets, and each packet has both in it, so you have 10 uses in this box. And the price, guess, $8.99 for 10. That's craziness. And when it says 24 karat gold, it's not just like colored gold. One of the ingredients actually is 24 karat nano gold, so that's pretty impressive. There's also only 15 ingredients in here, which might sound like a lot, but if you look at the ingredients on other brands, lots of ingredients, so 15 is actually pretty small. I also thought maybe you could put it in the fridge. It didn't say anything about that, but I feel like if you put these in the fridge, they would be even more cooling. It's also made in the US, which is good if you like things made in the US, and this brand I believe is cruelty free. I asked them in an email and they said that they were, but it doesn't say anywhere on the box. They also have a money back guarantee if you don't like it. That's what it says on Amazon anyways. I will have this linked below if you want to check them out, although we haven't seen if they work, so let's see. Let's crack this baby open. I'm excited. So the little package is really cute, simple gold, nice looking. Clean the skin, tear the aluminum bag, and take out the eye mask. Apply the eye mask to the lower eyelids, gently pressing to assist the skin absorbing the nourishment in the mask. So makes sense. I like this size. I can already see the shape kind of goes like this. One of the ones I tried before was a triangle. I thought it was really bizarre. So before I put these on, I do want to zoom in and show you a close-up of how horrible my under eyes look, and we'll see if there is any change after wearing this for 15 to 20 minutes. I have quite a bit of darkness in here, and I have fine lines, things like that. So I have a tissue here. I'm just going to wipe or pat underneath my eyes because I did apply some eye cream earlier today, a couple hours ago, and I don't want it to be like too moist, sorry if you hate that word. So let's peel it. There's a little easy peel, little crevice here, I think. It should be easy, maybe I'm just weak. Oh, why can't I open this? Yeah, I can't open it, so I'm gonna get scissors. Okay, I don't know which to say which one's which. Ooh, one fell off. Look, oh no, come back. Ah, it's so weird, it feels like a fish. Sorry. They come on this little thingy majigger, like a little plastic. Oh, this is so weird. Oh my goodness. I hope I did that right, because the small part is supposed to go here. Yes, I did it wrong. The big side goes on the outside, so me. That's better. It's not too gooey. It's like more just wet. Well, at least you can move them around. That's very gold. They're not irritating me. I had that one on for a while the wrong way, but I have very sensitive eyes and it's not irritating me. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and then take them off on camera, and we'll see if there's a big effect. So. Okay, so I did want to do a quick check-in. It's only been 10 minutes and I was taking some selfies because as you do when you have a gold eye mask on, and I did notice they're starting to drip a little. I'm sure if I was like laying back and not moving around and like standing up straight, it wouldn't happen. But they're staying on. It's not like they're falling off. As if you just push them up a little bit like that and just like pat them in, it seems to work. Just like a very interesting texture. The cooling sensation was instant as soon as I put them on, but it's not like lasting. But this one keeps falling, maybe because I already, you know what, why? Because this one wasn't dry. That's what it was. Remember, I put this one on that eye the wrong way. Now I didn't wipe it off before I put this one. That's probably why it's falling. So make sure you dry the under eye area before you use this. There was one rag comment. Someone was like, oh, they wouldn't stay put. That's probably because their under eye area wasn't dry. I'm feeling that's what it is, because this one isn't falling as much as this one. That's definitely what it is. I'm so smart. Oh my god. 3 more minutes. What are we gonna do during that 3 minutes? Oh, we can listen to Mamma Mia. That part's not going in the video. I like this so far though. I was really worried I wasn't gonna like these and they're gonna feel really gross, but honestly, if you were just like laying down reading a book while you use this or like on your computer, I don't think that you'd even really notice. It says it helps with tired eyes, fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, under-eye puffiness, and loss of firmness. I had a little bit of puffiness. I would have, if I'd done these earlier right after I woke up, the puffiness would have been way more intense. But how do you take them off, this way or that way? Because it's now been 15 minutes. How about we do one each way? Okay. Whoa. Ooh, my under eye looks smooth and shiny. How gross. Definitely easier to take them off from the outside. I feel like puffiness definitely went away. Let's do a close-up. I didn't notice a difference with the wrinkles, but I definitely noticed a difference with the puffiness that's right underneath here. I don't know, I feel like maybe I'm telling myself the darkness went away, but while I'll do it before and after, I'll actually see. But I feel like some of the darkness maybe did. They feel very smooth, not overly wet or gooey. Like there's not that much excess product. It feels nice and cool to the touch. I don't know, I think it looks really nice. I'd use this again, definitely didn't irritate me. Like, can you see that? It's like a glowy brightness. I don't want to say it feels tight under my eyes, but there's like a firmness maybe. I wish this brand made more actually, because I love the Lash serum and I like this and it's really affordable. So I give this 2 thumbs up, definitely. Check them out on Amazon. Like I said, I'll link them down below. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. I really hope it did. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see more from me and I'll see you next time. Bye!